If you're experiencing issues with downloading Telegram or updating it on your device, then today we are here with several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So firstly, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open the Telegram app and log into your account. After that, tap on the settings icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. It will navigate you to the Telegram settings. After that, tap on the data and storage option available there. Then tap on the storage again, and there you can see clear cache option available there. Now simply clear the cache. After you clear the cache, some of the storage might free up. Also ensure you have enough storage space on your device to download and install Telegram updates. Now after that, simply go back to the settings in your iPhone. Now once you're inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the iPhone storage, and from the listed apps below, look for the Telegram app and tap on it. Scroll down and tap on the Telegram. After you tap on the Telegram, you will get to see Offload app option available there. Simply tap on the Offload app and reinstall it. So that's it. By following this step, you should be able to download or fix the Telegram download problem. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.